how to enable or disable swipe up or down, gesture to swipe camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this four dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down and here showing you will see selfies mode. Here showing you swipe up and down to switch camera. If you want to enable swipe up and down switch camera, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see swipe up and down to switch camera is enabled. If you want to disable swipe up and down to switch camera, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see swipe up and down to switch camera is disabled. You will enable or disable swipe down to switch camera from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable swipe up and down gesture to swipe camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.